If you give me just 2 minutes of your time, I'm going to show you how to make your first ClickBank affiliate commission fast. I'll walk you through an underrated product on ClickBank that most people are sleeping on and reveal a simple method to get thousands of free visitors every day, working less than 10 minutes a day. Sounds crazy? It's not. It's literally copy and paste. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to like this video. And if you want to learn how beginners are making $1,000 a day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, comment 1K below, and I'll send you a free guide to get started. All right, let's dive in. Head over to the ClickBank marketplace and search for a product called His Secret Obsession. This product is in the dating and relationships niche. It's got a gravity score of 92, which is really solid, and every time someone buys this product through your affiliate link, you'll make around $50 in commission. Now, head over to the affiliate page and scroll down. You'll see that His Secret Obsession has helped thousands of women improve their relationships, and along the way, it's paid out over $4.8 million in affiliate commissions. Pretty impressive. When you scroll back up, you'll find a bunch of affiliate resources you can use in your own marketing things like email swipes, ad images, and promotional materials. Next, go to your ClickBank dashboard. Click on Get My Affiliate Link. Enter your affiliate ID and hit Continue. Now you've got your affiliate link, let's copy that and paste it into a new tab just to check out the sales page. As you can see, it's a video sales letter, and these types of pages tend to convert really well because they keep people engaged. So every time someone clicks your affiliate link, lands on this page, and decides to buy, you earn $50. So how do you actually get people to buy your affiliate product? Well, we're going to use a powerful AI tool that helps you create viral Instagram content, the kind that gets thousands of free views and drives affiliate commissions on autopilot. Just click the first link in the description, and it'll take you to a website called Clipwise, an AI video creation tool that makes viral short-form videos in just a few clicks, kind of like the one you're watching right now on the screen. Let me show you a few of its coolest features. The first one is called Visual Themes, where you can pick from tons of beautiful, ready-to-use templates, for example, cinematic, Ghibli, children's book, and plenty more. When you click on View All, you'll see even more templates you can pick from, and honestly, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now let me show you some of the craziest features inside Clipwise. Head over to AI Host, and boom, you'll see these split-screen, UGC-style videos that are perfect for creating viral reels or TikToks to promote your product. And get this, the whole thing is generated entirely from a script. No filming, no recording, no editing. Now let's check out a few more tools. Go to the quiz section, and you can create interactive quiz-style videos like this, super fun and engaging. Then there's the Reddit-style video format, which is perfect for storytelling or sharing valuable tips in a really relatable way. You'll also find business-style videos designed for brands or entrepreneurs. And finally, e-com-style videos, which are blowing up right now and getting crazy engagement. And if you click View All again, you'll see even more AI creators to choose from, so you can mix things up and find the exact look that fits your content. All right, so let's head over to Viral Faceless, and I'm gonna select the Ghibli style. This is where you're going to create your script. Now pay close attention here, because I'm about to show you a really advanced method that can help your videos go viral fast. Your script is the most important part of making your content take off. It's what grabs attention, keeps people watching, and gets them to click. But here's the best part, you don't even need to write the script yourself. I've got a done-for-you script that you can literally copy and paste to start creating viral videos instantly. Now, since the offer we're promoting is about women's love and relationships, you can use angles like how to get your ex back, how to make a man obsessed with you, attraction secrets women should know. For this example, I'm going to go with the how to get your ex back angle. Now, head over to Instagram and type in how to get your ex back in the search bar. Once you do, you'll notice there are tons of videos around this topic, and many of them are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. Here's what I want you to do next. Go through those videos and pick one that's already gone viral. For example, I found this one that has over 98,000 views, so I'm just going to open it up and copy the link to that video. Next, head over to FastDL and paste the link to the reel you just copied, then hit download. Once that's done, go to riverside.fm and upload the video we just downloaded. Riverside is going to automatically transcribe the entire video for you And within just a few seconds, you'll have the full script right in front of you. Now, go ahead and copy that script and open up ChatGPT. This is where we're going to create our new improved version of the video script. First, paste the transcription and then write this prompt. Rewrite this script to make it more engaging and emotionally compelling. Strengthen the hook to instantly grab attention and end with a powerful call to action, encouraging viewers to click the link in the bio to learn how to get their ex back. Then just hit enter and let the AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will rewrite the entire script, adding a stronger hook and a clear call to action. As you can see, the new version looks great. The opening instantly grabs attention, and the closing call to action feels natural and curiosity-driven. Now go ahead and copy this new script, then head back over to ClipWise. This is where you're going to paste the script to start creating your video. Next, set the video duration to around 90 seconds. Then, go to Additional Settings. From here, you can customize the tone and style however you like. For this example, I'm going to choose a conversational tone and hit Generate Video. Once the script is loaded, click on Start Video Generation. Now you'll land on a page where you can add audio styles. For the voice, I'm going to select female, choose the American accent, and keep it middle-aged for a natural, professional sound. And for the tone, I'll keep it conversational. It just sounds more natural and relatable. Next, click on View All under the female voices, and you'll see a whole list of AI voiceovers to choose from. Let's play a few and see how they sound.
It has been said that storytelling is the most powerful way to share ideas.
Nice, this one sounds great. I'm definitely going to select this voice. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see a preview of your script right here. From this section, you can also edit the text, change images, or even customize the visuals before turning it into a full video. So, I'm going to click Convert into Video. And within seconds, you'll see these eye-catching visuals come to life. Seriously, this looks insanely good. Now hit Next, and this is where you'll adjust the music and background sound to match your video's vibe. All right, let's play the preview and see how it looks.
Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. Chasing your ex, texting them, or posting sad quotes will only push them away. But here's the foolproof way to make them come crawling back.
And boom, there it is. Looks amazing, right? Next up, you've got a bunch of background music options to choose from. I'm just gonna leave it as is for now, since it already fits perfectly. You can also adjust the music volume right here, or tweak the video speed if you want a faster or slower pace. Then, head down to the caption section. You can pick from different caption styles or fonts to match your video's look. For this tutorial, I'll just keep the default. After that, there's the video overlay section, where you can experiment with different overlay effects to make your video stand out even more. I'm gonna go with this one, because it fits the overall style perfectly. And finally, just hit Next, and ClipWise will start generating your entire video. It only takes a couple of minutes, and once it's done, you'll have a ready-to-post viral video created from start to finish. So, as you can see, the video is ready. Let's hit play.
Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. Chasing your ex, texting them, or posting sad quotes will only push them away. But here's the foolproof way to make them come crawling back. And it works every single time when done right. Now, this might be hard to hear, and even harder to do. Stop when you pull. Absence does.
And check out the final result. The visuals look clean, the voiceover sounds natural, the pacing is smooth, and the background music ties everything together beautifully. Honestly, it looks like something that would have taken hours to edit manually, but ClipWise did it in just a few minutes. Now, the big question, how do you actually make money from this video? Simple, head over to Instagram and create a page similar to this one in your niche. Add your affiliate link in the bio, start posting these AI-generated videos consistently, and watch as your page begins to grow and bring in traffic, which means more clicks and more commissions. Now, ClipWise is a paid tool, but it's incredibly affordable for what it does. You can get up to 40 videos a month for just $25 or 200 videos a month for only $39. And if you go for the yearly plan, you'll unlock a massive 60% discount, which is an insane deal considering the value. If you choose the Creator Plan, their most popular option, you'll also get access to Hollywood-style videos that look absolutely stunning. So make sure you check out the second link in the description below to claim this amazing deal. Now, Clipwise also offers affiliate program, which means you can promote Clipwise and get paid when you refer to someone. You can make up to $3,412 per new referral. Let me break it down really quickly. To join the affiliate program, search Clipwise Affiliate Program and click on this result. As you can see, you'll get 30% recurring commissions and up to $3,412 every time when someone switches to annual plan. So click on this button to sign up. Make sure you enter your details and sign up as an affiliate. Then you are going to land here, where you are going to put your billing information. Once done, go to Payment Methods, and it will ask you to either choose PayPal or Wise account. Once done, go to Offers and select Offer List. Next, click on Get Link, and this is going to be your affiliate link. So every time someone clicks on this link and purchase the product, you are going to make 30% affiliate commissions. Now, if you want to discover exactly how everyday people from all over the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day all the way up to $21,000 per day by leveraging AI and insanely cheap foreign traffic, then go click the first link in the description or head over to insider10x.com and download your free copy of the special report that breaks it all down. And once you download the report, you'll automatically be redirected to a page where you can register for a free ClickBank workshop. This is where the magic happens. Everything you need to know to start making real money online is revealed in that session. But here's the deal, this strategy is catching on fast. Before everyone and their grandma starts flooding the traffic sources and competition spikes, go grab your spot now. Click the first link in the description or visit insider10x.com to take advantage of this golden opportunity before it's gone. And make sure you watch the workshop all the way till the end, because once you learn this system, you'll never look at affiliate marketing the same way again.